Forefathers did not invent machinery because they knew we would become slaves. ऑप्शन नंबर ए राइट आंसर हो जाएगा. The Gujarati equivalent for civilization means good conduct. Option number C. Civilization is that mode of conduct which point out to man the path of duty is formed. Indian civilization culture. Option number A. Some of the immediate and brilliant results of modern invention are too maddening to resist age form. Indian civilization culture. Option number C. Dash were satisfied with a small village. Our ancestor. Option number B. After all, there is something in Hinduism that has kept it alive up till now is form. Indian civilization culture. Option number B. Our ancestor enjoyed dash rule. Home. Option number C. Dash are rules of ancient Egypt. Option number D. Pharaohs. Observing all this, our ancestors discussed use form, luxurious, pleasures, use form, Indian civilization culture. Option number C. Attic civilization belongs to Greek. Option number B. Greece. Option number B. Greece. Our ancestor therefore set a limit to our indulge. Option number B. According to Gandhiji, mind is a restless bird. Option number A. Civilization helps in the development of sense of duty. Option number A. What is that modern civilization? It is the worship of dash material. In no civilization have all men attained perfection. Option number C. Who wrote Indian Civilization and Culture? Mahatma Gandhi. Option number A. Who dominated Indian politics from 1950 to 1948? Option number C. Mahatma Gandhi. Indian civilization is the state of development of a people. Option number A. The people of Europe are inspired by Dash and Roman writers. Greek. Option number A. Dash was a spiritual leader than a politician. Option number D. Mahatma Gandhi. Who used truth and non-violence as the chief weapons against the British rule in India? Mahatma Gandhi. Option number A. Dash is known as the father of nation or Bapu. Mahatma Gandhi. Option number A. Indian glory is that it is immovable. Option number B. Indian civilization and culture. And ऐसे ऑप्शन नंबर ए निबंध है यह एक. Gandhiji always believed in simple living. Option number C. Civilization talked used to be more dash towards me another friendly. Option number D. Pharaohs were rules of ancient Egypt. Option number A. Egypt. My Experiment with Truth was written by Mahatma Gandhi. European Civilization Bill meant for India. Ruin. Option number C. B. Notice that mind is a restless bird. Option number B. Dash bear satisfied with a small village. Our ancestors. Option number C. Gandhiji died at the hands of fanatics. 13 January 1948. Option number B. I believe that the civilization India has revolved is not be beaten in the world. This line has been taken from Indian civilization and culture. Option number A. The distinguishing characteristic of modern civilization is infinity multiplicity of human wants. This line has been taken from Indian civilization culture. Option number A. Our forefathers did not invent machinery because they knew would become slaves. Option number A. What does the Gujarati equivalent for civilization means? Good conduct. Option number B. What was that our ancestors satisfied with a small village? Option number C.